Today we're going to clean and polish the spring barrel that we removed the spring from earlier on. Cleaning the barrel. These are the tools you'll need. A pair of gloves, barrel of course, an Autosol polish, fine haired Glasgow brush, toothbrush and a brass brush. Some shellite and a tub to put it in. Place a little bit of the Autosol on the brush, not very much. And start striping it in one direction. Tiny bit more. You need very little to do this. We'll move around and clean the surface, and then when it's right we'll then clean in the one direction, which will raise a grain in the brass. See how this is coming up already. We'll continue to polish for a while. Tiny bit more Autosol on the brush. Long single strokes. Nice and shiny. I will now run in the one direction across the top of the barrel. Right, now we'll repeat that process on the side of the barrel. Tiny little bit of Autosol, not much. We'll rub it in both directions initially to get a start, then we'll finish in the one direction. See what we look like. Coming up alright. Well, I'll continue to polish for a while, back and forwards. Now we'll run round in one direction. Finally, we'll clean the teeth. This isn't very easy, the teeth grab the hairs on the brush. Now we'll put some shellite in our container. And drop the barrel in there. Change of gloves because the barrel is now clean. We don't want to leave dirty finger marks on it. From now on, the barrel will have to be handled with gloves when we're putting the spring back into it. Taking the toothbrush, rub over the surface, around the side of the barrel, to remove excess Autosol that's still on there. Run sideways around the teeth. To clean them. And place on the bench using a clean piece of cloth. Wipe the barrel. That's how it came up. Final part of the clean. Now use the brass head brush and very carefully clean in between the teeth to remove any Autosol cleaner. Wipe again. And using some pegwood, we're going to run round in the hole and make sure there is nothing still remaining in there. Sharpen the pegwood so it fits in the barrel arbor hole. That looks pretty clean. A little bit here. That looks nice and shiny.